This is the 2017 BMW 5 Series with lots of options on it, among them remote control parking. It moves the car back and forth so you can get in and out of tight spaces. But it takes ages.
Do you recall the Alfa Romeo commercial with Catherine Zeta-Jones slithering through the back of a blocked 156 Sportwagen? I reckon I could do a Zeta-Jones quicker, albeit less sexy, than I can unpark the car with this remote control. How about an experiment? The stopwatch starts as soon as I press any button on the remote.
On the left, I unlock the remote, find the parking function on the touchscreen, meanwhile, on the right, I took my shoes off, I open the boot and I'm folding the back seat. On the left, the remote control is connecting to the car and it will start the engine anytime now. On the right, I have to unlock the door, shut the boot lid and start the car. Reversing now. And stop the clock.
I concede technology has beaten a fat presenter.
Click the link on the screen to watch my full BMW 5 Series review.